we go. Hello everyone, welcome back to Vacuum Cleaner Obsessed. Right, okay. This is a quick video relating to the vacuum cleaner, which is the ICZ 300 UKT. This is a cordless upright vacuum cleaner from Shark. This is a quick video relating to putting the filters back in after they've been cleaned. Quite straightforward really. So first things first, the sponge filter has been washed. You will probably find if you haven't washed it for a while, 6 or 12 months, and you haven't done anything, that you may not get all the dirt out of the filter, and you might be able to get it the best you can. Now if it's really bad, then you can buy new filters, but pretty much usually once you've washed it, it's okay. Now this is quite interesting on here because this is part of the plastic, you can't take it off. So it's a bit like a gauze in a way. So you have to be careful when you wash that. Like I said, best to just do it under the tap with running water and then let it dry. This is all completely dry now. There's no moisture in it. So what I do is I push that together. So there's the filter there, yeah. And then I get the vacuum cleaner and I push it down, take the panel off. Only goes in one way. Just slide it in gently. You can't get it wrong. Yeah, see, it's in there now. Yeah, so that's in there. That's all firm. Yeah, and then slide that on there like that. That's it, all done. And if you're not sure, you can always just put your fingers there, pull it out. Yeah, double check it, make sure you've got clearance. Push it back in. Line it, the plastic up, and that's it. Now that's your filter. Filter's in there. There is another filter, but this filter, this one, which is the HEPA filter, I haven't cleaned that one because when I checked it, it was fine. There was not really dirt on it, but the same principle for cleaning that filter. You again just run it under the cold tap, and then leave it to dry. Obviously it's a paper filter, so you gotta leave it to dry. Once it's thoroughly dry, you just get the machine and you just only goes in one way. You slide it in and then clip it into place. Okay, so again, with all the filters I've just shown now for this Shark vacuum cleaner, they can be purchased off the Shark website. And then the only thing left to do then obviously would be to take the battery, which is here. This is the battery. They only come with one battery, and if you do want another battery, I believe they're £100 on the Shark website. Well, they were £100 the last time I checked. And then you just slide the battery in, and that's it. The vacuum cleaner is ready to go. Okay, and then it's just a case of vacuuming. So put the vacuum down. That's it. Yeah, job done. I mean, that tiny little bit of vacuuming I just did there, look, it's picked up dust. Do you see that? I don't know if the camera's picked that, but I only just did that little bit by there and it's already picked up all that. So yeah, so it's done pretty well. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.